Hey, welcome to our college. I was waiting for you. Come, let me show you around. Some of you might have already guessed it. We are at Amrita School of Arts and Sciences located in the densely populated and highly urbanizing district of Ernakulam. We are leaping towards the boundless glory and fame of our organic farming initiative. Our campus has an excellent abundance of trees and gardens. It's an exemplary institution that thrives on its commitment to the transformative power by utilizing knowledge for societal benefit and contributes to a prosperous and sustainable future for all. A sizable, well-maintained farmland extends in the expanse of the campus where organic farming is practiced. As a result, the ambience is a tranquility that stimulates the body, mind and spirit. In a short span of 10 years, our institution has managed to nurture an expansive, less green campus with over 5,000 students under the guidance of the Dean and Director of the institution, Dr. U. Krishnakumar. He has been a guiding force for this initiative over the years.
The main inspiration came when Sadhguru Sri Mata Amrita Devi, our Chancellor of this initiative in this campus, we started in 2012, planting few saplings and seeds we planted, vegetable seeds, in a small area of the terrace. Now it is covering an area of more than 2,500, 3,000 square feet area. I am very proud that I am producing about 1.3 to 1.4 lakh rupees vegetable from this campus. I used to consult and take the help of organizations like the Kerala Agricultural University, their research center in Vaitla in Kochi, from their university headquarters in Manuti. Later I started taking the help from the Krishi Vijnana Kendra of Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, the CMFRI. These are all adding on to my experiential knowledge. So I'm very happy about it.
Now let's explore our organic farming initiative, which includes rooftop farming with a variety of vegetables like tomatoes, spinach, bitter gourd, green chilies, brinjal, tapioca, okra, banana tree, drumstick, long beans and medicinal plants like tulsi, Indian borage, neem, turmeric, tamarind and much more. The farming techniques uses traditional fertilizing methods using farmyard manure and vermicompost. Later on, these organically grown plants and vegetables are used in our college canteen to provide healthy and nutritious food for the students and faculties. The students are also involved in agriculture activities as a part of their academic life that has been passed down through the years. We also have educational and awareness programs on organic farming and sustainable cropping, such as classes by Saji N.M., known as the tuber man of Kerala, who has a special knowledge in cultivating over 300 varieties of tuber. A class based on medicinal values of plants was conducted by Dr. C. Ravindranath Kaman. For a better green development, our campus is equipped with solar panels and waste treatment plants, which further leads to a litter-free campus. These activities aim at altering the younger mind to create a deeper connection with the environment, leading to sustainable life. Our mission is to solve globally recognized societal and scientific challenges along with environment, development and health. These innovative ideas done by the budding youth creates a snowball effect that will change the world. So let's join our hands to make a thriving difference with one seed at a time.